Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing my Elizabeth Scarlett order. I am so excited. I actually have big news. I have been made an Elizabeth Scarlett ambassador. I applied for that program. I did not think I would get on. Next thing you know, I got an email back being like, yes, you are in. So I got a gift voucher to spend and I spent it and I am thrilled and I have a discount code for you, 10% off everything. Oh, I'm just thrilled. I'm such a fan of the brand and it's all so beautiful and I'm so happy to share it with you. So, oh, and also if you're an influencer and you want to be an ambassador, you can also apply. I will put the link below. Give it a go. You never know. I got a £75 gift voucher and I'm now an ambassador, so I'm thrilled. Anyway, I'm going to show you what I bought. I did put a little bit of money to this order because I wanted more. But yeah, I'm going to show you what I got. But first of all, let me show you the packaging. So this is the packaging. It's beautiful. It's sustainable. Yeah, it's just a really nice little bag to get it in. I don't know what it is about it, but it's just really pleasing with the illustrations. You could almost cut it out and give it to your child to like colour in. Anyway, let's open it up. I did have a quick look inside before and I did actually film a little video and then I realised I only had eyeliner on one eye. Seriously, why would you let me be an ambassador? Anyway, let me show you what I got because it's absolutely stunning. So if you don't know the brand, they are famous for their beautiful pouches and you can use their pouches as either handbags like clutch bags or you can use them for, I don't know, like a makeup bag, wash bag, a travel organizer, or you can use them as a pouch to put inside your handbag. So if you're a person who likes to change their handbag all the time, instead of putting everything in your bag, you put everything in the pouch and then every day you move the pouch from different handbags. And it's just a really nice way to like organize everything and feel pulled together. Anyway, I'm gonna show you my first one. Actually, should I show you this one first? Or should I show you a different one? I might show you the other one first. Bear with me. Okay, so I'm going to show you this one. First of all, everything comes in a beautiful dust bag just to keep it all safe. Yeah, let me show you. So this is one of their best sellers and I love it. It's so beautiful. It has the bee design on. So each bee is embroidered on with gold thread. It's really lustrous. It's really beautiful. It's just gorgeous. You know, it's simple, it's luxy, it's lovely. And I didn't realise it's only double-sided, so I love that because sometimes you get bags which are really beautiful. One side looks stunning, the other side is a bit plain, you know, and you're like, oh, that's a shame. And then it's got this beautiful gold zip, it's got a branded zip pull, and on the inside it is lined with black lining, and also it's got the brand name stitched in. They just make beautiful gifts, you know, they're just beautiful gifts. Also, if you are getting married, or you know somebody who's getting married, they've got really good bridal ones as well, which actually say bride, and you get them monogrammed. Have a look at the website, 10% off everything, you're gonna love it. But they've got such good things. Anyway, that's the first one I got. I just thought it was so special and just beautiful. I love it. And yeah, double-sided. We want that. We need that. It's like dresses. Please line your dresses, you know. Line your dresses, double-side your bags. Just saying. Anyway, that's my first item. And then I'm gonna go for this. Okay, this is a little coin purse. And I couldn't resist. I knew I probably should get a different design, but I just love those bees. So this is a little coin purse. And it's again got the beads on, again double-sided. I think I got this one in the black too, but you can get it in a navy blue and a racing green. The racing green is beautiful actually. And I just got this because I don't really use purses very much. I'm more about the pouch and the card holder. So I thought this would be really good because it's big enough to put in a couple of cards, to put in cash and notes and coins, maybe a lipstick, and then you're done. Do you know what I mean? Like, who needs a big wallet full of store cards? I have them all on my phone on apps anyway. So yeah, this is my next thing. This is a little coin purse. Again, gorgeous gift, so cute, really beautifully made, super luxy, just feels good, you know. So that is my next thing. Love it. And again, it comes in a dust bag. Whew. And then, okay, I have to show you this. I absolutely love it. I was blown away when I saw it because, again, I didn't realise this would be double-sided. So this is one side. It's so pretty. It says hope on it, which I just thought was lovely. You know what I mean? It's just lovely. You know, you're like, I need that. I need some hope. You can give it as a gift and then you give hope, which is so cute. But anyway, I just love the designs, love the birds, love the flowers, love the sun, love the bee. It's kind of got a bit of everything that you love from the brand. And I got it in this kind of gorgeous maroony colour, which I just thought was so beautiful. And then on the back, it's got flowers all over, which I just thought was so pretty. I thought it was so pretty. Yeah, I just think it's gorgeous. And then on the inside, we've got, again, the kind of the burgundy maroony coloured lining. It's just so nice. Like, it feels beautiful. Like, it's so pretty. Just gorgeous gift for yourself, gorgeous gift for somebody else. I love it. But I love this one. I love them all. And I'm really torn about which one I love the most. But I think it might be this one. There's just something about it that I just think is gorgeous. Anyway, that is that one. I think these retail for about £36 each, and you can also get ones with like your initial on as well, which is really nice. You can personalise those pieces with your monogram. It's gorgeous. I never get anything personalised because I have been engaged for like 10 years now. So I know that my initials will change, and I'm always really nervous about getting anything with my initials on because I know that one day they will change. So yeah, for the last 10 years I've been avoiding monograms of all kind. Anyway, let me show you the final item. This was actually, no joke, a freebie that they pop in when you spend £50 or over. By the way, also shipping was free, so you get free shipping for over £50, I think. I'll have to check that. Maybe it's more, I can't remember. But anyway, I got free shipping and I got this, which is added in automatically when you spend over £50. So it's really good because honestly, I knew this was like a cute freebie, but then I got it and I was like, it's such nice quality. It's like a really nice thick cotton, kind of almost a linen. It's in the kind of the dark tealy colour. It's got the label stitched on there. And then it's got embroidered flowers on, and I didn't realise these would be embroidered. I thought they'd be printed on, and I think that's such a lovely touch. And literally, this is free for anybody who spends over, I think, £50 on the website, which I think is incredible. Like, I think that's so good. So you could literally use this as a handbag, or you could use it as like, I don't know, like a shopping bag, or maybe even like give it as a gift to somebody if like your child is at like high school and needs a tote bag for like gym or something. Like literally there's so many uses for a good tote bag, and I just thought it was so pretty, and I just love these embroidered flowers. I just think it's adorable. And yeah, I couldn't believe that this was just a freebie for anybody who spends £50 or over. I think that's amazing. Anyway, that is my order. That is everything. I added a tiny bit of money to it, but I am absolutely thrilled. I'm so excited. If you do want anything from them, you can get a 10% discount by using my link. You don't have to use a code. The 10% will automatically come off. It's well worth it. They make gorgeous gifts if you're going to a wedding this summer or you've got a birthday gift. Absolutely amazing. Or you just want one for yourself. Like literally, it's a clutch bag. It's a bag organizer. They're amazing. But yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled. And if you are an influencer and you want to apply, I will put that link below as well. But yeah, I'm so happy. It's so beautiful, and I wanted to unbox it and share it with you. And hopefully I will be chatting about their bags again soon. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.